SOLIDWORKS MBD provides an integrated alternative to creating 2D drawings, which helps you define, organize, and publish 3D product manufacturing information, or PMI, into industry standard formats. 3D views provide an easy way to organize information for individual manufacturing operations, capturing model orientation and display of relevant PMI data, removing ambiguity and making it easy to understand. Datum targets are useful for defining points or areas of contact to establish a datum to simulate a mating part or fixture. Now, in SOLIDWORKS MBD 2021, datum targets are available in the MBD environment. Locating dimensions can accurately define the location of the datum targets and are fully editable just like any other dimension. Let's set up a datum target on the far end of the sheet metal part. The first selection establishes the datum reference framework, in this case datum A, then place the target and its balloon. The datum target can be defined as a point, circle, or rectangle. For this one, we will make it a 1/4 inch circular target. Locating dimensions can be applied to define the position, and for this target we'll make it 1 inch from the far end, and from the vertical flange, which is datum B, we will make it 1.75 inches, and the datum target is fully defined. Flat patterns in 3D views have been available in the past, including bend tables and bend notes in the 3D view. But now in SOLIDWORKS MBD 2021, this bend table information can be published to a 3D PDF in a clear, concise, tabular format similar to the way the bills of materials are handled. For this part, let's attach a neutral 3D format, step file, and also include the flat pattern information as a DXF file for laser cutting. All of the custom properties are extracted from the part and pushed to the 3D PDF, and bend table columns can be selected for publishing. 3D PDFs are a great way to accurately communicate your design with downstream manufacturing operations who are not lucky enough to have SOLIDWORKS. All that is needed is the Adobe Acrobat Reader, and all of the 3D views are presented in an easy to read and navigate format. All of the information about datum targets is available, and the flat pattern view contains the bend notes corresponding to the tabulated bend table on the left. With the new datum target support, SOLIDWORKS MBD, and tabulated bend tables in 3D PDFs, it is easier than ever to embrace model-based definition to eliminate time-consuming drawing creation and reduce manufacturing errors.